This weekend's weather looking pretty good. News Channel 9 Storm Team meteorologist Lindsay Rachel is always digging the opportunity to enjoy the weather.
I love those little puns the producers slip in there. Today, Lindsay stopped by Chuck Hafner's Garden Center to learn how dirt therapy, yes, dirt therapy, can be a money saver and a mind easer. Turns out you don't even need a big yard to reap the benefits.
Colorful flowers will help brighten your day and your view. But have you ever thought of planting your own produce?
And an 8x12 vegetable garden can yield you over $400 worth of fresh vegetables. So dollar-wise, it's quite a savings.
You'll know where your food is coming from, and you can get started right now.
You have to be a little selective on what you're putting in. Mostly your cold crops that'll tolerate a cold wind or light frost.
Spinach, broccoli, and cabbage can go in the ground now. You'll have to be careful with tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers.
If you do put in some of the tenderer stuff, you'll be okay if you watch the weather, and if it's going to freeze, you cover it with newspaper or a light sheet.
If you don't have space for a garden like this outside, you can still plant some small tomatoes, maybe even some strawberries in a hanging pot just like this.
For vegetables, everything has to be in the sun, and nothing wants to be soaked or get too dry. So it has to be a kind of a constant moisture in a sunny location.
Finding a bright purpose in your own backyard.
When springtime comes, you have that urge to plant, and then you have the reward to seeing it grow. And with vegetables, you take it a little further, because then you can harvest them and put them on your table and eat them.
Ready to dig? In North Syracuse, Lindsay Rachel, News Channel 9.
Wow, that's great advice. And we now have the time to do it. Chuck Hafner says it's a little too early for herbs, but they are easy to plant, really easy to manage. For more advice on planting in pots, head to localesquire.com.